Now we're going to do creating the upper level window. And we're going to go see how we kept those marks. We have the one over here and the one over here. Hopefully you guys didn't delete them. If you didn't, go back in the previous videos and re-add them again. All right, so let me get rid of this extra line that I have here. What is this? I just don't know what this is. So should I delete it? No, I don't know why this line came from. So we're going to leave this line because we don't know what it belongs to. But let's just go check what it is actually. Open, what is this? Let's go to 3D. It's my dimension, which is over here for some reason. Erase that. Let's go back to the top view. And now that we did that, let's go and add some windows. So we're going to grab this window over here. We're going to press copy. Copy. We're going to grab the center of this window. And we're going to move it to the center of the line we just built. Ta-da! That's what we kept the line for. We're going to grab that same one again. Copy. We grab the center again. And we're going to bring it all the way to the other side. And put it over here. And we have our window on the bottom and also on the top. Good. So now that we've done that, we've copied it. The next one we're going to do is delete those two lines that we added. There we go. The line's gone. Line's gone. Perfect. And delete nothing else. We're going to go now and select the window next to the master bedroom, which is this one over here. Like so. And you're going to go make it, I think we're making it 7 feet wide. Right? No, we're going to move the, sorry, we're going to add another one array that's 7 feet distance. Sorry about that. So we're going to go use our array tool. So we're going to go look for AEC array. So we're in the Windows, AEC array right over here. Click. We're going to make sure we grab the edge, which is this corner right over here. Click. And we're going to go make sure, no, we're going in the wrong direction. See, if I go right now, it's going to go up and down. So this is not the right way. So let's go back again. You're going to make sure until you get the line like this. You want the line to go in the direction, this direction. So if I click, now my windows are going left and right. I'm going to go put my distance of. So we're going to do which one, guys? We're going to go click which one below. We're going to go make sure we choose offset, right? No? Or we just type in 7 feet, make it easier. And we're going to put how many windows? We're going to put 3. So 1, 2, 3. Click. And now we have 1, 2, 3 windows placed. We have 2 in the master bed, 1 in the master bath, and none in the toilet right now. Good. We're going to go now select this window right over here. And we're going to go choose as selected. And we're going to go to the design tab. And we're going to go change some things in the settings. Right over here, we're going to make sure relative to grid, we're going to say no, which is good. Offset, we're going to put this, and 3'4". And we're going to keep it to the center. All right, and now we're going to go put it from this corner here. So now it's going to keep a distance of 3'4". That's the number we just put, and we're going to click the window. There we go. We added another window. Now we're going to go back and hit for the automatic. We're going to put it 8'2". Oh, my computer just went crazy there, looks like. And we're going to go from the bottom part. Click. And like that, we have the 2 windows added. So we added this one here, which is 8'2" from the beginning. This one here, which was 3'4". We added the 3 windows on top using 1, and then we arrayed it 7, 7 equally distance. And these 2, we used a line that was already existing. Good. So this is how our windows look. Let's hit save. And let's take a look at our 3D. So this is the save button, which I can't see right now. Save to mobile. What's going on here? Let's do file save. Perfect. And now let's go check our 3D. And we see we have a couple walls that are flying a little bit too high. Why is that? Because we never changed the settings of them. So let's go look at make a look in conceptual. Oops. Oh, we have this showing now. So what is this, guys? This is our slab. So right now, if the slab's in our way, we could hide it for now so we could see the rest of our walls. So we're going to use the icon, hide object. And now we're looking at our walls over here. Let's go select this wall, and let's just check the height. Our height is 9 feet. So we'll grab the other 3 walls, like so, and put the same height, not the 32 feet, 9 feet. And like that, at least everything is par. And then when we're done, let's go and hidden objects. Let's go back to our top view. Let's hit save. What is this now? Why did my save button change? Let's do file save. So now that we added all the windows, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to insert the upper level internal doors. So a tip, is to turn off your object snaps to make sure they're off. Or else you're going to start snapping everywhere and it's going to get quite annoying. So turn those off. And we also could turn off F8, which is the object tracking. So with those 2 off, let's go add our doors. So go to Tools, Design Tools, look for our doors, and now let's see if we have it. If you don't have it, you can always add more doors. But we're going to look for a hinged single door right over here. From there, what's the next step we're going to do is we're going to change our sizes. We're going to look to see if there's one already built. Let's look for 3 feet by 7 feet. 3 feet by, yes, we have a standard door, which is good. We have the inside frame. This is good. We have offset. That's good. Automatic offset, we're going to put 6 inches. And we're going to put it to the center. So that's good. Everything else looks perfect. Now that that's done, everything 3 feet, everything looks okay. We're going to go and start putting our doors. So we're going to put a door for bed 2, which is going to be 6 inches off the wall. So we're going to go here, click on the wall, and right away you see the 6 inches are on that side, but we don't want it. We want it to go on the other side. So just move your mouse a little bit to the other side, and now the 6 is on that side. Click, and then we have one door. That's the first one. Then we're going to go to the other side, do the same thing. Make sure we have 6, click, and we have it. Why do we turn off the object snaps? Because if we had those on, it would be snapping somewhere else where we don't want it to snap. Now we're going to move to the master bed, which is up here. And we're going to put the door right over here. Come on, my computer's a little slow. 6 inches again, and we're going to click. That one's done. Perfect. Now, before we do the next door, we're going to change the size. So we're going to change now the size from 3'7", we're going to go down to 2'6". Oh, wow, that went really fast. 7 inches, and we're going to go put it next to the bathroom door right over here. My computer is clearly dying over here. Let's go click over here. I think I'm losing half my wall, so I need the wall over here. So let me just press escape. There we go. It came back. See, if you do start losing things, just click escape. I lost this room here now. Wasn't this filled before? Hold on, something's going on. Let's do refresh. There we go. See, you just have to hit refresh sometimes and it's going to wake up again. We're going to use the same door again, hinged single. We're going to go change it to 2'6". 7 inches. Now because I went back, just double check, 6 inches, this is okay, center, this is good. And we're going to go put it over here, on this wall right over here. Like so. 6 inches. And we're also going to go put it for the closet up here. Click. So we have those all set. So every room now seems to have one except for the closet, which we're going to go put a closet door right over here. Which should be 6 inches. Actually, this one we could put in the middle, actually. Let's put this one in the middle. Click. There we go. Nice. Now, for the next 3 doors, we're going to have to go and load the doors. Let's go to More Doors. And we're going to look for the bifold doors. So we don't have them here. Oh, we did have it. No, we don't. We're missing it. So let's go search it this time. We're going to go search bifold, double. Okay. Enter. Oh, we don't have it. Let's go back. Let's see if we just do double. It was on the top? Oh, right here. Okay, perfect. Let's go add the tool palette. There we go. And now that that's loaded, let's go add it again. Click on it. And let's go change the settings of it. So we're going to go get the 5'8". 5'8" by 7. Perfect. We're going to go to center. This is okay. Everything seems okay in my book. Opening percentage 50%, 6 inches. Yeah, everything's good. We're now going to go put them over here. So one for this closet here. Perfect. And the other one, we're going to go put it, where's the other closets? One over here. I think it's in the middle we're going to put them. Yes, we are. One over here. And one right above it. And like that, we added our closet doors. Let me press escape. If it seems to be crashing, just hit RE to regen. And it should refresh it. And it looks good. So we added the door over here, the closet door. 1, 2, 3. We added the bedroom doors. 1, 2, 3. And we added the bathroom doors, which are a little bit smaller, is 1, same as the closet. 1, 2, 3 as well. Once that's done, let's hit the save button. And we're going to go on by doing some more modifications. All right. So now we're going to move on. So let's go on to our 3D view. What's one thing you notice about our 3D view is we have our stairs going to nowhere. So we have the stairs here, which we don't really need, but we do want to have it so we could see the information from above. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to our stairs, click on it, not the railing, the stairs. Click on it, and then you're going to go copy style. It's going to load. From here now, we're going to go to the General tab. And you're going to call this concrete, and you're going to call it upper level. All right? You're going to go now to the, like we did before, in the display settings, property, sorry. And you're going to go to the model, default, and you're going to go to override. From here now, we're going to turn off all the visibilities of the stairs. All right? Once that's done, we're going to press OK. There, now the stairs is gone. Let's go back, click on the railing. Go back now and do, where is it? We did what before, guys? Copy style. We're going to rename this one as well. We're going to change it, keep the same name. We're just going to put upper level. So we know it belongs to the second floor. Like so. Oops. Okay. Press OK. All right, not really. Don't press OK yet. Go over to display properties, and then go to style override. Same thing again. We're going to go and turn off all. So you can just do Control A. Control, okay, or Shift. And just click them like this. Shift select and grab them all off. Press OK. And now they're gone as well. So now if I go to my top view, you notice I still see it, which is good. I just didn't want to be able to see when I do the 3D right now. I don't want to see the stairs because it's confusing going stairs going upwards. So we go back to our top view. Right? And now we're going to go to our properties. So we're going to go here, select our staircase, like so. And we're going to go to, we should have a tab on General on top, which says Display Controlled By. So let's go to the top. Let me see if I find this. It should be under, oh sorry, Display. Here we go. Display Controlled By. Click. And you're going to do upper level. When you do that, you say yes, press OK. Right? And in the override, where it says here you're going to say yes. And here you're going to put the cut up to 10 feet. So now we have the stairs going up. See it? We're going to go press get out, and now we look. We have the stairs going up. So from our top view, we see the stairs going all the way up. Okay? We're going to go back. We're going to click on our stairs again. We're going to go to our edit style. We're not going to override this time. We're going to edit style. And we're going to go to the high details. So where's high? High details. We're going to go click on it. And now we're going to go to our other option. And we're going to go change the override display configuration. Click on it. And we're going to go put the height that we just changed to 10 feet. We're going to do the same thing we just did now to the low details as well. So press OK. Go to the low details. Right over here. Click on it. Go override. And put 10 feet. Press OK. Press OK. And like that, now if I go high details or low details, everything's fixed as well. All right? Good. Let's go back to normal. So again, now see if I go 3D, I don't see it. I just see the floor hole from the stairs we had before. Good. Now that's done and we set up those settings, go back and hit the Save button so you have it. All right? On the next tutorial we're going to do is I'm going to do the roof of the second floor. Thank you very much. Don't forget to follow, subscribe, and share.